If you want full control over your email design, the Advanced Editor lets you write or paste your own HTML. Let's take a look. From Messages, click New Message and select Advanced. The editor opens with a subject line, pre-header, and the message content area. You'll see two main tabs, HTML content and plain text. Under HTML content, there are two sub-tabs. HTML source is a code editor where you write or paste your HTML directly. There's a starter template with a merge tag already included. The toolbar gives you quick access to merge fields, images, links, a beautifier, and a preview button. The other sub-tab is Web Page URL. If your email is hosted online, paste the URL and Groupmail fetches the content when sending. Below the editor is the Attachments section for adding files to your email. Let's paste in some HTML and preview it. Click Preview to see the rendered email in desktop, tablet, and mobile views, exactly how subscribers will see it. When everything looks good, click Save. Use Check for Content Moderation and Test to send yourself a preview. Your advanced email is ready to send.